Okay, to set up Google Alerts, all you have to do is just to first click on the create an alert about. And let's say that I want to receive some alerts about Real Madrid, for example. There we go. Now I have to tap on the create alert, and then we can still customize this alert by clicking on this icon. From this, we can input how often we want to get the alerts. Let's say that I want to get it at most once a week. We can pick the source. So we've got automatic, blogs, news, web. You can actually select 2 or even 3 sources once. But in my case, I can recommend you to get for the automatic. Next, we can also pick the language of the alerts. I'm interested in the English alerts. We can also set the region. So let's get it for any region. How many? Let's get, for example, only the best results. And you can pick the delivery to, for sure, you have to select your current Google account. And then you have to click to update alert. And there we go. Now we can also click on the settings icon, and from here you can enable the delivery time, and you can receive all alerts in a single email if you have more than one keyword. And that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel.